Okay, so I'm here at the Celebrating Textiles Exhibition, and I'm going to give you a quick whip around. I'm smiling so broadly because it's just beautiful so far. I mean, I've just come in literally, but there's some beautiful work on display, including mine, and you should come down because it's available until the 18th of January.
Standing here by it.
And this is the artist.
And these are my grandparents. Granny and Pop.
Oh.
On their wedding day in 1903 on Tudor Street.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Gordon Escort Stout and Clarice Perkins.
so it's kind of different than I used to work on for savings. It's not necessarily a natural. It's not necessarily wherever they come. They might be seeing problem here, but the problem might be somewhere else, and you have to follow it. So even though you might have to follow it on there, there's only when it gets into like choose a member of the different team, and it gets into personal. Then I would. Yeah, because you see the confidence is that the variety of popular is what. And so it was also but it was like 100 days around and a lot of CPs on that. Because when I looked at it was at 100%. And that's like because you have to be careful because sometimes when you ask people they take a he said he worked for a pharmaceutical company. And they were developing the drug, so they were doing a simulation on the drug. So he's finding out to run this simulation, it takes 2 hours. So that's why he just wanted to get the power, so they don't have to pay for it beyond that. But so it is people who think of that, and so it's very interesting because it's not just necessarily saying like have like the
Okay, so here I am in front of some of the pieces, a couple of the pieces that I've done with a range of different styles. You've got the some elements of the Japanese style stitching, you've got some African elements, symbolisms, you've got the wood that has been taken from the moringa tree and the cotton tree, well, not cotton tree, but I've allowed my cotton plants to grow so that they've developed into a tree. And this one you've got sort of like fabric stitching and slashing elements and the wood as well. And it's time consuming. I'll come a bit closer so you can see some of the techniques in there, different designs and patterns, some sculptural elements. And as I say, the wood here has been harvested from my own garden. So we're going to take a look at some of the other pieces. So here's one of the other pieces. It's a set of 4, and it's part of the fragmented stories, red, blue, green, and yellow. And it's a combination of painted fabric, stitching. Let me just show you. Combination of painted fabric, stitching, beading, and then and metal on this particular piece. I'll show you the other piece. Okay, so these are these 2 pieces, as I said, more beading and yeah, amazing. Okay. Are these your pieces? Okay, so there you have it. That's the exhibition. As you've seen, I've shown you examples of the work. You've got to come down. It's on until the 18th of January 2020. So you are going to be in for a feast of the eyes. There's just some amazing work here. I'm just like gushing at all the artists because I've just been overwhelmed by the immense talent that's here. Queen's Park Gallery, and they will have some information about some of the artists. Where I can, what I'll do is I'll put some information in the link so that you can see some of the work. There's some beautiful techniques that have been demonstrated here, not demonstrated, but on display here by the artists. You've got a bit of everything. You've got jewellery, you've got weaving, you've got tie-dye, you've got printing, you've got stitching, you've got a bit of everything when you come. So it is a visual feast for the eyes. And yeah, I'm just, I'm so pleased to be able to be with some of the artists display my work. You know, that's an honour for me. So anyway, take care, and we'll see you again soon. And you know, come on down.